Business degrees are the most popular college degrees in the United States, and for good reason. First off, they're easier than a lot of other college degrees. There's a lot of common sense in business. On top of that, you can find really affordable programs, and business degrees can lead to a huge variety of really good jobs. What most people don't know is that you can earn entire bachelor's degrees in business fields in less than 12 months. 3, 6, 9, 12-month business degrees, full bachelor's degrees, is absolutely possible. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the 7 fastest business degrees and really high-paying jobs to go along with those business degrees. I'll even show you which schools you can attend to earn these business degrees really quickly. Let's start with business management. Business management is a very broad degree with a huge variety of studies inside the degree. You're going to learn things like leadership and organizational behavior, strategic planning and decision making. You're going to learn about budgeting and financial analysis and taxes. You're going to learn about marketing and sales and a whole variety of other things. And business management degrees can get you really good jobs. Now, if you're going to get a business management degree, I personally recommend trying to get management or leadership positions with that management degree. If you're going to study management, you might as well go into management because management pays higher. For example, a general or operations manager, someone that oversees business operations, efficiency, growth strategies, basically overseeing things as a whole, can make on the low end $100,000 a year and on the high end over $250,000 per year. Or something like a management consultant, someone that comes in and advises companies on how to perform and improve as a whole. These types of positions can make on the low end $100,000 and on the high end more than $200,000 per year. Or let's say a sales director or a vice president of sales. Someone that's leading a company's sales team and developing new strategies to drive growth. These people on the low end can make $120,000 a year, on the high end over $250,000 a year. Next on the list is UX design or user experience design. It's a super unique degree that can lead to a lot of really cool jobs. Now, inside the degree, you're going to be learning all sorts of user psychology. When someone's interacting with a company's website or applications or software, what is their experience like and how can you make it better? You're going to study things like interaction design, usability testing, visual and graphic design, coding, and information architecture. With a degree in UX design, you can get a job as a product designer making $120,000 to $180,000 a year. You can get a job as a user interface designer making $100,000 to $160,000 a year. You can get into things like UX research making upwards of $170,000 per year. Or for large companies, you can get a job as a user experience or UX director. In these types of positions, you can expect to make on the low end $140,000 per year and on the high end over $250,000 per year. Next on the list is accounting degrees. I've seen students earn entire bachelor's degrees in accounting as fast as 3 months. Some things you'll learn in an accounting degree is personal accounting, business accounting, tax accounting, auditing, and more. Now, my personal recommendation for accounting degrees is to follow up a bachelor's degree with a master's degree and then get your CPA. Both of those things can be done really quickly. Now, an average CPA is going to make more than $110,000 a year, but can increase that to more than $200,000 per year. Now, you can also get jobs as a CPA for really large companies. Things like financial analysis, tax director of large companies, even things like a CFO. Now, high-end positions for big companies, if you're dealing with financials, something like a CFO, you can make more than $500,000 per year. Next on the list is marketing. Now, I absolutely love marketing degrees. This is the degree I got myself in just 9 months. I've helped other students do it even faster than I did. But you have to be aware, not everything that universities teach about marketing is super helpful. For example, social media marketing learned in universities is usually pretty outdated information, but you are going to learn a lot of valuable information like big picture marketing or advertising strategy. Now, there are a few fields of marketing studies you can go into. You can specialize in things like digital marketing, marketing analytics. I prefer the analytics side just because what they're teaching inside of schools are usually things that are going to stay a lot more relevant. Digital marketing, on the other hand, gets outdated a lot more quickly, and universities have a hard time keeping up. Now, there are some pretty lousy marketing jobs, particularly for people without marketing degrees. You can be something like a social media manager where you're working for a small company posting things on social media. Marketing degree gets you more advanced marketing jobs that are more fun and pay a lot. Things like digital marketing manager, where you're, yes, doing digital marketing, but you're structuring strategy for large companies. Digital marketing managers can make upwards of $180,000 per year. You can get jobs in brand management, where you're in charge of the entire vision of the brand of a company. Brand managers who are good at their jobs can make over $200,000 per year. You can also get more specific jobs where you're marketing specific products, something like a product marketing manager. Now, average would be $120,000 per year for a position like this, but over $200,000 per year is possible. Or something like an advertising director, where you're in charge of all the ad campaigns for an entire company. For these types of positions, $250,000 a year is not impossible. The next degree on the list is supply chain management. Now, supply chain management degrees will teach you logistics and transportation, how to manage shipping, warehousing, distribution networks, finding suppliers, negotiating contracts, balancing supply and demand efficiency, managing operations and production and workflow. You can also dive deeper into global supply chain and work jobs overseas. And if you speak both fluent English and a foreign language and are willing to work overseas for US companies, you can have a really, really solid career. A supply chain management degree can get you jobs like logistics director, purchasing director, operations director, or even being a supply chain consultant. These types of jobs range from over $120,000 a year to more than $200,000 per year. The next degree on the list is human resources, or HR management. Now, the core of HR on the surface to people from the outside is usually hiring, firing, training employees, and payroll. But in HR, you're going to learn a lot more than that. You'll learn things about labor laws and compliance, HR technology and analytics, employee relations, training and development, and more. And for me, HR is a sleeper degree because it can get you a lot of really good jobs that are steady and stable because there's a high need. Jobs like HR director for large companies on the low end pay $110,000 per year, on the high end over $200,000 per year. You can also work niche as something like a compensation and benefits manager, or as something like a training and development manager, or my personal favorite, an HR consultant, someone that goes into big companies and helps them cut areas that need to be cut, areas that need to be built up, and move money around. It's a really, really cool job. Now, all of these types of positions, on the low end, you're over $100,000 per year, and on the high end, you're over $200,000+ per year. The next degree on the list is project management. In a project management degree, you're going to study things like project planning and scheduling, risk management, budgeting, cost control, leadership and team management, operations and process improvement, even get into some supply chain stuff. Now, one warning I have for project management degrees is that there are a lot of really low-paying project management jobs. But I've got a solution for that. If you go into project management, I highly recommend specializing in tech or engineering or construction. For example, IT project managers can make more than $180,000 per year, or an engineering project manager who on the low end can make $115,000 to over $170,000 per year, or a construction project manager who can make more than $160,000 per year. Now, every degree on this list, as I said, can be earned in 3, 6, 9, 12 months if you do it right, but you have to choose the right schools. So let me walk you through some schools that are very friendly for accelerating business degrees. The school with the most variety of business degrees is Western Governors University. As you can see, they have a number of business degrees to choose from, and every degree on this list is fully self-paced. The next school on the list is Purdue University Global. If we search their business degrees, they don't have a huge variety, but they do have this Excel track, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. You can also further that with an Excel track MBA. These Excel track programs are 100% self-paced, and Purdue University Global is a branch of the Purdue University system and has a really strong reputation. The next school on the list is the University of Massachusetts Global, and they do have a variety of business degrees to choose from, including an Associate of Arts in General Business, a Bachelor of Business Administration in General Business, and then they have some business tech degrees where you're learning basically tech management. The next school on the list has a very strong reputation, and it's the University of Wisconsin, more specifically, these UW flexible option programs. If we go into their programs, they have this Bachelor of Business Administration. If we go into their business administration programs, you'll find this Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. This is a really solid bachelor's degree. The next school on the list is the University of Maine at Presque Isle. They have what are called these Your Pace programs and a few business offerings, including a BBA or Bachelor of Business Administration, a BBA with a management minor, or a BBA with a management and leadership minor. Now, step one is choosing a school that will let you earn your entire degree fully self-paced with no restrictions. Each school that I've shown you does allow you to do this. Step two is to not do things the school's way. You're going to skip homework and just learn what you need to learn and test out of your classes. I call this process degree hacking. And that's what allowed me to earn an entire bachelor's degree in just 9 months of free time with a full-time job and a wife and kids. If you'd like to learn my 3-step process of how to get these degrees in months instead of years, I'll leave a link down below in the video description. Hope this video has added value to your day. I will talk to you in the next video.